everyone, my name is Sri Katelia Putri, NIM 22111272 dari kelas 3E PGSD. Result and discussion. After analyzing some qualified journals and the data of the research of some results and follow. Fritz Mugiono found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the students' academic achievement. It was performed by the result of the consideration conviction was we meant there was a quite strong relation between students' linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of the study was English education department student. Is all found that linguistic intelligence gives strong effect on student English skills including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the data the linguistic intelligence give effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the research also found the emotional intelligence saw a weak effect on the students' academic rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said the linguistic intelligence gives significant contributes to students' academic in English including reading comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate that some research of the study specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic integration more gave contribution towards student academic achievement than emotional intelligence. Scott Rahmini et al. Report the linguistic intelligence become a strong predictor of student reading comprehension. That the participant of the study was Irina, student Waldo English major. Practically speaking, it also noted that linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition which was involved in their success in reading comprehension. In all found the linguistic intelligence predictive the student reading perform because intelligence and cognitive are part of comprehension. It means the linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. It is what this can afford. It is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more influence the student linguistic intelligence so they can improve their ability in using language. The study that was conducted by Dewi. It's how the linguistic intelligence gave positive influence of student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of this study was Indonesian student at Madrasah Pembangunan Jakarta. From this study, it claimed that the students will have good linguistic intelligence tidak too hard ego ready memperson because English language variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in importing the student reading comprehension ability. It's well reality with the previous study the linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can prevent the student successful in learning a language because it influences the student cognitive process. In addition, is it also for some in the classroom of students. Linguistic interrogation in reading cognitive. Fritz, the student love to read. Scott, the student often spoke what they have read. Dries then worked good its playing partners. Next, they like playing war games and pounds. The study can count their board collection. Also, they can remember general chronology, quotes and war English. Next, they can explain and interpret what they have real English. Last day, students had good chronology about Lagua as based on the host intuition in concept the then student will have dominant linguistic intelligence, have tendency to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can increase students' ability in reading because they understand what they have read English. Practically speaking, the student and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can create their learning habitat in learning study that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can currently now invest in teaching learning process and causing the appropriate teaching material that fit with the student linguistic intelligence. Freud, Dewey, and Williani admitted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the reading comprehension. It was home for the converse, which makes the linguistic intelligence gave positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the Wirthy also explained that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen through some following in the scrolls. Fritz, his student can write a story or essay about their daily expression. Scott, they can express their ideal clearly. Here, the student had rich vocabulary. Freud, the student enjoy in reading many kind of the text such a book, newspaper, magazine, and fit the student can spell the word in foreign language easily. 60 they like listening to a short story. 7. They can do a storytelling. I can be inferring that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in asing a language. Based in learning process, it is crucial to use at the appropriate strategy based on the student linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension, because linguistic intelligence can reflect the student successful in reading comprehension. Vita Aulia and Nourdi found that there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data shown that of the student reading the title of the books, which the students were enjoying, were fairly for explain enjoying these survey games that can answer the questions then argue the words correctly. Here they can explain the meaning of the words they have read and discuss it. For most students were having difficulties in Madrid's lesson. They prefer English social than history lesson de Martasing. Thus, the data shown that only answer the matrices sequence randomly. Because in what this found for them, this was prophet reading short stories. Fitte in doing the constellation the ocean were the real to smoothing they have read and heard before such as they was they had found their classmates and they worse than they had read for Hercules. 60. The student had this ability in working the party-based and theory proposal effectively. In line with the feelings of thought, the instructors of linguistic intelligence can be seen toward the students' linguistic and learning process. Therefore, in Class B involved the students will have good linguistic intelligence that to have critical thinking because they can write both and read in front of their classmates. It class based on Erlina. It was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence in their study. Based the participant of the study was Indonesian intelligence student. Also, they were mentioned that I of the study was not for generalization. But the result of this study was shown by phenomena in learning Alagua. The result saw some aspect of the student linguistic intelligence. Fifth aspect is result is that ability in using the lagua efficiently to proceed out her warfare. The rover saw the only of students who said the lagua effectively to proceed out her. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic factor in producing out her in delivery. There is in spoken and written front. Skin aspect in managing that is the ability in memorizing the information. It was what only of students will can remember and relate the information or the storing of the text that they have read. The third aspect in expression that is the ability in delivering the information orally and written. It was found that students still had difficulties in using disputes and figurative lagua in order to leverage their index. So only on student will use it well once they were endpoint. For aspect is methodologistic, there is the ability and learning the lagua itself. It showed that in reading class, the students were active participant in asking the question about the word they did not familiar. From the requested in can be seen that in reading activity, the students still had the curiosity in learning a lagua, even though things still had the in delivery the those in spawn in written form. Let's Reza and Tarmizi found the linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the students' reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. It all found that the students with His linguistic intelligence were able to as de lengua effectively. They were deeply good in reading. Play word games, memory word storytelling, and making party. In line with the finding, his Hemi also attested that linguistic intelligence made the strongest contribution in predicting the student reading comprehension in other was the students should ignore the type of intelligence because it influences their reading comprehension. It what the students still not aware about the linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For intelligence by creating a learning strategy that relates with playing word games and storytelling that influence the student ability in asing a language. It is also supported by Grader in Arnold in Faseka was that there is improve to know and develop the individual's different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individuals are different to each other, that they have the combination of intelligence. The Harvard based on the result of their research involved the student linguistic intelligence give significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Had key the students should give more active toward them linguistic intelligence because it helped them to improve their ability in reading.